How to use Bybit 20 USDT spot coupon. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to use the 20 USDT that Bybit used to give people for trading coupon. So if you want to use that 20 USDT, all you have to do after you open the Bybit, go to your trade. After you go to your trade, so now after you go to the trade section, so now you tap on this option, this trade history. So tap on this trade history. After you open this trade history, so now you go and find a trade that you completed. So like this one, as you can see, it says speed. So I'll find a successful trade that I have done in the past. So I'll choose this one. So if you choose this trade, as you can see now, under this trade, here is the bill history. So here is the history, here is the history. So I bought this amount of BNB, and here is the BNB that I got, and here is the value that I gave for USDT. So if you look at this option, there is P. As you can see now, this is P. So look at this is P. So under this P, as you can see now, whenever you make a trade on Bybit, Bybit will charge you some P. So if you have that 20 USDT, they will not charge you from your own initial capital. So they will charge you from the 20 USDT they gave you. So the 20 USDT that Bybit used to give people, it's only used when you come to trading. So when you come to trading, the charges that they will charge you from your initial capital, they will not charge you from your initial capital. They will charge you from that 20 USDT until it's finished before they go into your initial capital. That's how to use the 20 USDT. As you can see, here is the amount that they charge me for the 20. This amount was charged from the 20 USDT that they gave me as a bonus. So that's it, guys, on how to use the 20 USDT Bybit spot coupon. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.